Engineered by our experts in a cross-collaborative effort spanning our global sites, Novanta is excited to introduce our new scanning solution, Firefly 3D, designed for metal additive manufacturing. Our concept tackles the heart of the selective laser melting process, focusing on the dynamics of the melt pool and its performance. Specifically designed with monitoring and control in mind, Firefly 3D can monitor the process out of the box. Users can achieve more control thanks to our advanced processing tools, enabling real-time changes to scanning operations. Easily add additional scan heads to your machine design to attain the benefits of multi-scanner architectures, with up to 100% field overlap and enabling various scan head configurations, boosting your machine's productivity. To achieve accurate jobs, Firefly 3D is built with data synchronization ports, enabling high-speed serial data output for synchronized command and position. Embedded in our environmentally protected enclosure, our optical design ensures optical performance remains consistent and predictable print after print. Our solutions enable you to build high-quality complex metal parts with unrivaled speed, accuracy, and usability built in. Whether you need to create metal parts in industrial markets like aerospace or critical medical implants, our new scanning solution Firefly 3D can optimize part quality and reduce the cost per part of additive manufacturing.